My names are Kemisa Mackbul Suleiman. I am an entrepreneur. I run a bookshop and stationery shop in Kibra, Nairobi County. I'm here because I have been invited for a workshop for entrepreneurship. I believe this workshop will enlighten me on my entrepreneurship journey and get to learn more about different networking, and also get to learn more about different business ventures, yeah, and how to expand my business also. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been in business for the past 5 years, and my experience through business is, entrepreneurship is the journey. You start from the lowest and then you pick up slowly, and you learn a lot on your way up. And my expectations for this workshop was to sharpen my skills, learn more about customer care, learn more how to manage my business. The workshop, I believe it should be extended because there's a lot to be learned and a lot to be expected from the workshop. And so far, I've met different kinds of groups who have different kinds of experience in different business ventures.